Winchester 1873, the gun that won the West. One of the greatest military firearms that had ever been developed. On the bottom of the lever you'll see a button. The button was designed to lock the lever in so that the soldier, if they were in brush or if they were riding, they couldn't hook it, which would open the lever and potentially damage the firearm. But the other thing about the 1873, if you can see it, is the dust cover. The dust cover is designed so that when you operate the lever, it automatically pulls it back. Unlike the 1860 and the earlier variants where the boat was exposed, the exposed boat was subject to dirt, debris, to weed seeds and stuff that could foul the firearm. So Winchester developed a dust cover. As you go into 1892, then they had different ways of locking the breech. We'll talk about that in just a moment. The Winchester 1892. This variant is a saddle ring firearm. The saddle ring was very popular during the Civil War time frame. Most of the firearms had some variation of a ring on them. The purpose of that, these were the original military firearms. Just as law enforcement and military personnel use a single point sling for their ARs, that's what the ring was for your lever action, so that the soldier would never be separated in combat from his weapon. The Winchester 1892. Come see us at Running Bear Western.